Pyramid. So it consists of a base. Base may be hexagon, pentagon, triangle, square, rectangle. It can be any polygon. If it is hexagon like this, we call this as hexagonal pyramid. Then, so if we draw an imaginary line which is passing through center of base and this apex, that is called as axis. Axis is the imaginary line passing through center of base and apex. Next, it is covered by slant faces. So these are triangular in shape. In case of hexagon, it consists of 6 slant faces. In case of pentagon, it consists of 5 slant faces. If it is square pyramid, it will consist of 4 slant faces. Next, if you look at the edges are nothing but, so they are the lines connecting corners of the base and apex. In case of hexagon, there are 6 slant edges. Okay, these are also called as inclined edges because they are inclined. So next, in case of a problem related to pyramid, initially, if it is resting on HP, it may be resting on one of the corner or one of the side. Initially, if it is resting on corner, we will keep the pyramid like this in vertical orientation such that the corner will be towards right. Okay, initially, I will keep the complete square hexagonal pyramid on HP. The complete pyramid is on HP. So I will look from top. If I look from top, it will look like a hexagon. And I am also able to see all the corners and also apex. Next, so I will take the top view. Again I will take the front view. In front, I can get the actual height of the pyramid. That means I can get the height of the pyramid means the length of the axis in its true length. Because the axis will remain parallel to VP. So that's why in front view, I am able to get true height of the pyramid. In top view, I am able to get the true shape of the pyramid, that is base. Next, so this is the first top and front view. Next, I will satisfy the first condition. If it is resting on corner, such that the axis is making certain angle with HP, so I will lift the pyramid like this, such that it is resting on only one corner, and the axis is making some angle with HP. So in this position, I will take front view and top view. So next, in the final view, the axis may be inclined to VP, or one of the edges may be making inclination with VP. In the final view, I am going to satisfy that last condition. Next, I will rotate like this, depending on the given condition. Okay, now in the second position, it is resting on HP and the axis is making certain angle with HP and the axis remain parallel to VP. In the last condition, if it is making certain angle with VP, I will rotate like this. Now initially the axis was parallel to VP. If I rotate, so now it is making certain angle with VP. So in this position, I will take its front and top view. This is the final view which I need to obtain. So that means in case of problems related to pyramids, so initially I will keep a pyramid in vertical orientation such that in top view I am able to get its true shape of the base. In front I am able to get the height. Next, I will satisfy inclination with respect to HP. Then finally, I will satisfy inclination with respect to VP. This is the concept in projection of solids and in case of projection of pyramid. If the same hexagonal pyramid, if it is resting on edge, so I will keep the resting edge towards right like this and I will take top view and front view. Next, I will lift the pyramid like this such that the resting edge of the base is still on HP. It is on HP and the axis of the pyramid is making certain angle with HP. Next, I will satisfy the last condition, that is I will rotate like this. If the axis is making certain angle with VP, so I will rotate like this such that axis will make that angle. Even if edge is making certain angle with VP, so now the edge is perpendicular to VP. Okay, so if I rotate like this, now even this edge on which the pyramid is resting, it is also making certain angle with VP. Okay, so this is in case of resting on edge. If it is resting on corner, as I told you earlier, so corner will be towards right, and I will lift like this and like this.